There will also be tornado sirens going off for this RWT. Yep. There we go. I'm gonna open up my window so you can hear what better. Let's see if you can see the siren over there. You're not gonna go all the way down. Okay, you hear the sirens. About 11:15, that's what's gonna happen.
Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, mostly sunny with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Hot with highs around 90. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with lows in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday, sunny with a slight chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers, mainly in the morning. Hot with highs in the lower 90s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour.
I recommend turning on your volume right now.
30%.
Just as a heads up, because
Friday night, partly cloudy.
all these weather radios, except for that weather radio, the gray one right there, and the black one.
Lows in the lower 70s.
Gray one's actually realist. 6 British at 12240. That weather radio
Hot with highs in the lower
is
90s.
the broadcaster. This weather radio out of service.
Cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday through Monday, partly cloudy. Hot. Highs around 90. Lows in the upper 60s. Monday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 70. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the lower 90s. The Omaha Metropolitan Area Pollutant Standards Index for today is 58, which represents moderate air quality, with particulates the main pollutant. The forecast for Thursday is 44, considered good air quality, with particulates the primary pollutant. The pollen count today for trees was 2, a low count, with the primary pollen. The pollen count today for weeds was 18, a moderate count, with hemp and pigweed the primary pollens. The pollen count today for grass was 3, a low count. Air pollution forecasts and pollen counts are provided by the Douglas County Health Department. Here are the forecast key messages.
I'll be right back when the test happens.
Continue through the week. Fourth, considered good air
The test
quality,
hasn't started
with
yet,
particulates
but
the primary pollutant.
I just decided
Pollen
to
count today for trees was 2,
wait until wait for the next 6 minutes.
The pollen count today for weeds was 18, a moderate count, with hemp and pigweed the primary pollens. The pollen count today for grass was 3, a low
Hopefully all
count.
the weather radios worked.
Air pollution forecasts and pollen counts are provided by the Douglas County Health Department. Here are the forecast key messages. Hot temperatures continue through the week. Heat advisories are posted for the Omaha Metro and far southwest Iowa. Strong to severe thunderstorms are expected tonight, particularly for northeastern Nebraska. Gusty winds, hail, and locally heavy rainfall are the main concerns with any storms that develop. Daily chances for showers and storms continue. Best chance of rain and storms waits for the evening of Saturday, Independence Day. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station KIH 61
5 more
in Omaha,
minutes.
Nebraska. The current time is 11:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Omaha and Council Bluffs area. Today, hot. Partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly this morning.
I'll come back to you guys.
Highs in the lower 90s. 15 to 20
Oh, hold on a
miles,
second.
50%
Okay, I'm back.
Friday, sunny with a slight chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers, mainly in the morning. Hot with highs in the lower 90s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Independence Day, mostly sunny.
3 more minutes.
In the lower 90s. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday through Monday, partly cloudy. Hot. Highs around 90. Lows in the upper 60s.
I think I did Pixel.
Mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 70. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the lower 90s. At 11 a.m. in Omaha, light rain was falling. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 79%. The wind was northwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.91 inches and steady. Across eastern Nebraska and southwest
2 more minutes.
Iowa and Tequila, rain was falling with a temperature of 73. It was 75 at Millard. At Columbus, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 73. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 79 at Lincoln, 73 at Fremont, 81 at Nebraska City, 80 at Flaxmouth, and 82 at Red Oak, Iowa. Here are some observations from across the region. In Sioux City, rain was falling with a temperature of 71. At Valentine, it was sunny with a temperature of 75. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 77 at Grand Island, 73 at Sioux Falls, 76 at North Platte, and 74 at Denver. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 74 at North Fork, 83 at Des Moines, and 85 at Kansas City. At Concordia, Kansas,
60
it
seconds.
was cloudy with a temperature of 80. Once again, at 11 a.m. in Omaha, it was 77 degrees with light rain. The Omaha Metropolitan Area Pollutant Standards Index for today is 58, which represents moderate air quality, with particulates the main pollutant. The forecast for Thursday is 44, considered good air quality, with particulates the primary pollutant. The pollen count today for trees was 2, a low count, behind the primary pollen. The pollen count today for weeds was 18, a moderate count, with hemp and pigweed the primary pollens. The pollen count today for grass was 3, a low count. Air pollution forecasts and pollen counts are provided by the Douglas County Health Department. Here are the forecast key messages. Hot temperatures continue through the week. Heat advisories are posted for the Omaha Metro and far southwest Iowa. Strong to severe thunderstorms are expected tonight, particularly for northeastern Nebraska. Gusty winds, hail, and locally heavy rainfall are the main concerns with any storms that develop.
Okay, there we go. Turn on your volume now.
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System for transmitters across eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, as well as neighboring portions of Kansas and Missouri. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers to be turned on automatically, alerting you to the impending emergency broadcast. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. Once again, This has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return to our regular programming. Here are the forecast key messages.